Hey guys, with me today I have this appliance dolly cart with 4 locking wheels. This is an amazing device. Look at that. You guys are in for a treat if you're going to use this. It is so easy to set up. Pretty much you're gonna have 4 corners like this. As you can see here in the corners, you can lock and unlock the wheels, and it is so easy to put together. So let's get that done. All right, you guys, so here we are. This is the tube that goes inside the panels as so. So you're just gonna stick one end right here, and you can flip them out to the other side so you can see the inches measured, and you have to lock it in place to make sure you have the right length like so. And you're gonna do that throughout the 4 little connectors. You guys, we have the rolling cart installed in our dryer, and I want you guys to check that out. It is so great. So here we have the locking mechanism. All you got to do is step on it, and just like that is locked, and you can just pull it up as well, and it is unlocked. It's so simple and easy, and now we're going to show you guys how fast we can move this around. Take a look, you guys. Look how quickly and easily I can spin this around. It spins 360, so it's so easy to move around. And there you go, you guys. You can push and pull as you need by yourself.